something like your kind here. Taking our jobs, taking our women. My woman.
Calm down, partner. She's happy with me and my robo-dong.
Well, you think you're so tough? Why don't we take this outside and see how much of a quick shot you really are?
Bested me fairly in a battle of man. Man has always bested me and my kind since our creation. My people have been oppressed for too long, and I will not be held down a day more by you or anyone else. Your racism ends now, you scum.
I need my coffee.
You go to your trailer?
Yeah. I go to my trailer.